The interviewer thought that we have discussed the question that he asked with that student.
Okay.
So he told in interview itself, he told me that this interview may be your last interview because I know that you have discussed a lot of questions with your colleague. So, but I will not ask those questions with you.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever you are watching this video. Today we have Hemant with us. Hi Hemant. He did his MTech from IIT Bombay and he got placed in Oracle. So hi Hemant, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for giving us time and sharing your interview experience with us.
Thank you for you too actually having for me here.
What profile you got placed in at Oracle?
My profile is a member of technical staff in Oracle and especially in RAC team, Real Application Clusters.
Directly start with the interview rounds. Before the interview rounds, I think there would be a coding round, right? Aptitude round.
Yeah, there are two aptitude and coding mixed round.
Please tell us.
Before interview, we have one coding plus like typical Oracle type in coding round. There's some fast moving questions, right, from Oracle UI and Oracle website. We have some flowchart questions. You can find it on web or internet. Those are typical. Those are not that difficult questions, but in interview also we got some really good questions. First round is my interviews on resume. First round he asked all about resume top to bottom, and then I got an interview from a student from an alumni of IIT Bombay itself.
Okay.
So he's pretty casual with me. So he asked me a question of linked list.
So this is round one.
Yeah, this round one is of that resume one.
Okay.
He asked me about my projects and what I have done in MTech, some assignment that I have done, about my professor, about my current working MTP, and about my BTech. So I also had work experience working in Accenture. So he asked me about that also.
Okay.
So that's fine. This is the first interview, and in second interview he asked two questions of coding. One is like array one, simple question.
Okay.
And he specifically told me to do it in O of 1 storage and O of n time. So I don't remember the exact question. And second one is from linked list. He told me to code it exactly, and he executed it. It has executed properly. So he told me to go in another round.
Do you remember the linked list question?
It has something to do with reverse linked list plus some mixture of reverse linked list and with the stack also. Like I exactly don't remember what he wants to do. He just told me the steps. You have to do this. You have to implement stack while reversing you can reverse your linked list. He told me to do that. He said coding part is important. He wants to code it from the beginning. He wants me to run it properly. If it run thoroughly properly, then he told me to go in a next round.
Okay.
So in the next round, I again have two questions of coding. And before that, there are a bit of controversy with that interviewer. There is a colleague of mine that he has just settled down along with myself, and we are discussing something. So the interviewer thought that we have discussed the question that he asked with that student.
Okay.
So he told in interview itself, he told me that this interview may be your last interview because I know that you have discussed a lot of questions with your colleague. So, but I will not ask those questions with you. I will not share those questions. So, and at the last, he was impressed with my answers. And one question that he has asked is actually DP question, a simple DP, not a tricky one. One is DP and second one is graph. Means he has given some nodes and we have to backtrack plus something BFS, means both are involved. That's it. The second interview, he asked two questions, and last one is HR one.
What you will suggest how a student can work smartly if he is targeting Oracle as a company? If he wants to crack Oracle interviews, what will you suggest what to do and what not to do?
Actually, for Oracle, this coding is important for Oracle. And in IIT Bombay, I think that your CGPA matters a lot because all questions are normal, all questions are general, means coding questions are not that difficult, not that low, not that easy also, means but anyone can do those questions. So you have to be good in something else. My thinking is you have to be a good student, they should think that you can work hard.
Right.
That's the second thing. And for that, to show that thing, your CGPA is the only thing that you can show them that you have a good CGPA, you can work hard. And other thing, if you have, means Oracle is a DB company. They are mostly working with databases. If you have some good experience with databases, if you have some good projects on databases, it's really nice. Also, there are some Oracle tools that you can go through. There is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, you can learn about it, or you can go through some YouTube videos. And there's also some Oracle SQL also there. So you can write it on your resume and you can twist your interview towards that thing. So they will think that you are actually interested in Oracle and you have done something in databases. Also, there are some faculties in every institute who actually are working on databases only. So you can actually do your MTP with those professors. So it's pretty good. And about coding, means coding round of Oracle is not that difficult. It's a mixture of coding plus aptitude, not exactly coding. Means it's a CS type aptitude, not that MBA type aptitude, but it's good. Means there are some flowchart questions. Last one is, if time taking around for every question, we have around 2 to 3 minutes. And last 2 questions, we have 6 minutes for each question. We have to actually code and write. They're simple, not the difficult questions. A coding round is easy and pretty easy, I can say. But for interview, you have to prepare a lot. You have to go through all type of coding questions. I can say that you don't have to go to that level, that pro level of coding. You don't have to go at that level. There are some general questions. They will ask only those questions. Actually, not about Oracle. I have given a lot of interview. Everyone asks like some general questions, some famous questions. You can go through them. Linked list, graphs, BFS, DFS. Those are pretty important thing. DP means there are basics, actually basics of coding. They will ask them.
Yeah.
And most important, your MTP.
Yeah.
And your MTP, you should have a great knowledge of your MTP.
In the first round, in the first coding come aptitude round, what were the major topics from which questions were there?
They are from arrays. Some are from basic stacks. They are not exactly the coding question. They are mostly the CS aptitude questions. And last one question is from arrays. Exactly, I can say array plus stack. And one is something related to time. It's time management question is there. It's simple.
Was there any questions related to technology side? Let's say Java, Node.js?
Not exactly Java and Node.js. There's no technology involved in those questions, but they are more of a gate question, We have some ADA questions. They are more of like that. Not exactly. And there is a round of flow charts. Means they have given some flow charts, and we have to find out the results. What will be the output of that code actually?
Yeah, and that is, I think that is pretty simple. Everyone had done it. Some or other. Yeah. Okay.
That's why I can suggest that you should go with your preparation. Don't worry about Oracle coding round. You can easily clear that. From 80 to 85 students, whoever has given the test from MTech, IIT Bombay, I think has cleared that one. Around 90%, 80 to 90% student has cleared that round. And mostly who has chosen the Oracle, who has the aim that I want to go with the Oracle, I think he has cleared the interview also.
Now let's talk about the CTC part. If you are not comfortable with talking about CTC or revealing the exact CTC, can you give us a vague idea about what is the average CTC?
Okay, yeah. I can. So in IIT Bombay means I can give you some intuition about placement activities in IIT Bombay. So on first day we have companies like Microsoft, Google, Uber, mostly top 100 companies of the world. So not all, but some. For MTechs, and some are like startups also, but they are pretty good and their CTC is pretty good, above 50 lakhs in India.
Okay.
So, but for the first day, it's really tough, and you have to compete with the BTechs also. So on first day, if you want to target the first day, then you can say that you will get some good companies or some amazing like top 10 companies of the world. And if you want to do that, and you can. Don't worry about the CTC. If you want to earn something about 50 to 60 lakh, then you can go with the startups on the first day, and it's about 50 to 60 lakhs. on the first day with the startups, and with Microsoft and with Google, it's around 20 lakhs. On the second day, CTC is around. On the second day, we have companies like Samsung, Oracle, OnePlus, Amazon, SAP, and some here and there, like Dream11 is also there. The CTC goes around 22 to 30 lakhs, and they vary from company to company because some are really established company and they don't give that much CTC, but they offer you some really good working environment. But some are actually startups. Like I guess I can say like Dream11 means well established startups. I can say they pay you better than any other well established company. They'll pay you better because they know that you will target those companies, so they will pay you better because to attract you.
Exactly.
So that's the scenario. On the third day and second day and third day is the same. In CTC will be the same. From the fourth day, I don't think though much. Our 90% of our class has been placed on the second day, or third day I can say 90% have been placed, and fourth day 2 or 3 students I think they have also been placed in really good companies. On fourth day I think we have Honeywell, one student have been placed in Honeywell, and second 2 of us have been placed in Philips. So their CTC is also good, around 20-25 lakhs, between 20 to 25 lakhs. So that's the scenario. Means average I can say about CTC we have 20 to 25 or 20 to 30 based on the company. For gross I can say it's around 18 to 25. That vary.
Yeah, I know about these things, so I can relate. It makes sense. Till now we have talked about everything, I guess. So let's move to rapid fire round. It will be a informal conversation. हम आराम से बात करेंगे. I'll ask you some quick question. Try to answer them with one phrase or one word, preferably. So since you are wearing this Batman T-shirt, one superhero you want to be?
It will be Iron Man.
It will be Iron Man. Okay, fine. I also know that you were in INSEE team for cricket. You play cricket, right? Who is your all-time favorite as a batsman, as a bowler, and as a all-rounder?
As a batsman, the only one Sachin Tendulkar, and as a bowler, currently it's Pat Cummins. For overall, as a bowler, it's Glenn McGrath, and Pakistani bowlers are also there. They are great, I can say.
3 qualities which got you where you are today.
First is consistency.
Okay.
I'm an average student, but the consistency matters. Mm-hmm. And second is hard work, and third is don't give up. Means I've given up a lot, but I have started again a lot of times.
Yeah, you started again a lot of time. That means you never give up. एक दिन आप अगर उठे और अचानक से आपको पता चला कि you are famous, तो ऐसी कौन सी वो चीज होगी जिसके लिए आप फेमस होगी?
मैं बस क्रिकेट का सोच सकता हूँ. क्रिकेट का सोच सकता हूँ कि मैं क्रिकेट के लिए फेमस हो सकता हूँ. अगर मैं स्टडीज में नहीं होता तो मैं क्रिकेट में होता और मैं उसी के लिए फेमस होना चाहता हूँ.
Okay. What is your one hidden talent which nobody knows? Only you know.
मुझे लगता है कि मैं लोगों के पर्सपेक्टिव को अच्छे से समझ पाता हूँ. मैं बहुत ट्रैवल किया हूँ और बहुत सारी फैमिलीज के साथ इंटरेक्ट किया हूँ, अपनी फैमिली के साथ किया हूँ, हर इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन के साथ, नॉट मींस सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ नहीं, बट थोड़ा डाउन मींस हर मिडिल क्लास के साथ भी इंटरेक्ट किया हूँ, रिचेस के साथ भी इंटरेक्ट किया हूँ और मेरी फैमिली के साथ भी इंटरेक्ट किया हूँ. तो मुझे पता है कि एक इंसान का पर्सपेक्टिव क्या हो सकता है. अगर नहीं भी पता होता तो मैं वेट करता हूँ उसका पता करने के लिए. मतलब अगर वो कुछ गलत भी करता है तो मुझे लगता है कि उसका इंटेंशन क्या था, मैं उस पर जाने का ट्राई करता हूँ, नॉट वो एग्जैक्टली क्या कर रहे हैं. तो उससे चीजें समझ में अच्छे से आती हैं, आप बिहेव अच्छे से कर पाते हो. लाइक कि आप किसी के लिए हार्मफुल इफेक्ट नहीं दे पाते हो कि आप हार्मफुल हो या किसी तरीके से कुछ बुरा सोच रहे हो. एक गुड फीलिंग जाता है.
If you can travel back in time and you meet your version of Hemant, who has no idea about GATE, what is success according to him, and what is success according to you right now?
According to him, getting a food actually a success. You can say when I'm in Bhopal, I was about to do a BSc in that science in zoology something. I was about to do that, but I actually got some good numbers in MPPT, then I got admitted to an institute in Indore. So according to me at the time, it's good that I can earn money to live with a family with all facilities, like all common, means some roti, kapda, makan type of thing.
Right.
That's a success for me at that time. But now it's all about, means currently, means I got a job on 3rd of September. Currently it's about, currently means not all time, it's currently something about money, means I want to earn more, but with that also I want to do some local work, means some social work, as I say, some related to education field, some social work to our societies. Like if I can work something for our society, if I had to go politically to that, then I can go. It's really interesting to see that how life goes after this job.
You are ready to get your hands dirty in politics?
Not exactly ready, but I've seen a lot of things, and actually I'm following Indian politics from the beginning, from I think 2005 or 2007, you can say. There are some here and there. I admire a lot of people in politics also. So it's good. And if I contribute to our society with doing something like that, then I love to go in that direction.
That was it from my side. It was pleasure to have you tonight. Thank you so much. And I hope you will achieve great success in life.
Thanks a lot having me here. Guys, if you really like this content, please do like this video and do subscribe this channel. This will really help you to achieve what you want. Thank you.